Hello traders and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is One Man Trader and here you go, another trade, another day. Nasdaq at the US session, this is the opening. I put two contracts waiting for the market to reach the opening level of the Asian markets at the same day. So right there, the market took our two contracts, push higher, and then exceeded the box, the blue box. This is the medium range of the price for the previous moves. So the market go up, down, and then the price is undecided where direction will go. Either go lower, go higher. So now it seems it's going lower. So it's going to where I draw my line, and this line at the 5 minutes showing those are the lower of this previous days and the current day. Those are the lows. The market decide to reach it, and now I'm expecting is a way to generate liquidity. So take everybody out, the ones who are buying, and then and put their stop losses so tight they're out. Now the bears are scalping. So those kind of moves are common scenarios. Marketers call them excess in order to generate more liquidity and to change direction. So now I'm taking another contract. Let's place another contract right there, exact. Right there. So there's a three contract right there. So the market take it, the price reach it, and then I set my target number one in the mid of the blue box. Remember, this is where the medium price of the range. So these are my first targets. So what happened is a lot of people now scalp, a lot of bearish, push the price down. They were the bullish people, or the bulls were putting the order exactly where the market reached. And what happened is the buyers that put the stop loss, they've been taken out, and now they will decide to go in. So that's create this buying pressure and then push the price up. So basically the bears took their profit and they're out. And this is what happened now. The price is reversing up, but not as strong as yet. Remember, this is December, so a lot of things happening. The market is it's running on scarcity, and because the end of the years, so kind of common. So if this candle will hit our no, so is this new forming candle gonna hit our first target? Yes, no. Let's see. Beautiful. So now what's going on is you can see this 200 EMA is there as a resistance. It used to be a little bit of support. It was a resistance, been broken, become a little bit of support, been broken to become a resistance now. And then there is the daily resistance, the blue line right there. So it is an area which is strongly guarded by the bears, and then of course going to show a lot of rejection there. People who are scalping around this area. So there is a lot of selling power. It really rejects the price exactly at the EMA 200 EMA level. There's a lot of sellers here. That's good. But my trade up to now is valid. So I didn't put my stop loss right away. to secure the profit just yet. Just want to give the trade or the price a little bit of room to breathe, right? So yeah, this candle decided to reverse up. That's good. So now the bears took their profit again, the scalpers, and then the exits, the trades, and then where the buyers are back in around that area. So where's the blue box is placed. Remember, this is the mid range, so the price will be running around this area before, of course, pushing up. There it goes, testing again the 2MA to 200 EMA, 200 moving average MA, yes. Then go into the first resistance, or yes, first resistance of the daily, and then there's a rejection of the price. Again, testing this resistance of the daily. He's gonna this time gonna break it. Let's find out if yes, no. At least let's take second target. Yes, it did. Now I'm placing my stop loss and then securing profit. Whatever happened now, I'm okay. I'm cool. My profits are in, secured. So now just manage the trade and hopefully let's reach our third target. Yeah, as you can see in the order book, this is the line of resistance, so of this chart, 2-minute chart. So now its price seems pushing higher. I'm placing my stop loss higher as well, secure more profits. If the price is gonna hit our target, yes, no, let's find out. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Come on. Almost there. There you go. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you find value, please subscribe, share, and like. Until then, take care.